LifeBasis air quality monitor here. This is portable, okay? So this has a battery built into it. It also has a stand. The battery does last a few days. I charged it up as soon as I got it, put it on my counter, left it out there for a few days. Eventually it ran out of battery, okay? It does come with a USB-C cable inside here, but it just will take any USB-C cable right there. So this is where it pulls the air in here. It's completely adjustable. So I have it in basically Fahrenheit or like USA settings, but you can change all that. You can see inside my house, it has, it's 69 degrees. It gives you the humidity. It gives you the CO2. This is the important one. This is the one where if you have gas appliances or anything like that, it will rise. And as it's burning off that gas, you don't want that to be like over like 800. Okay, it gives you an overall air quality. That's what you want to really worry about there as well. This right here on the top corner, it'll tell you your overall air quality in your house is good. Okay, TVOCs, this is like if you're cooking bacon or something like that, you'll notice this will increase in your house, or any kind of like meats that are giving off like smells, or fish. When you can smell it, that's like the VOCs for the most part, and it will increase here, and also your air quality will go bad. Let me see if I can get the CO2 to go up while we're on this call, or on this, while making this video. There's also PM1, PM2.5, and PM10. Basically, this is just particulate matter that's in the air. It'll tell you how much is there. I don't know if I really care about that. Basically, I care about this air quality. I care about the CO2. And look, CO2 went up. See that? Because I was breathing on it. Look at that. Went up to 800 just during this video. So these things do work. If it stays that high, this air quality overall will change from good to like medium to bad, okay? So this is the LifeBasis portable air quality monitor. Every house should have some kind of air quality monitor in it, especially if you have gas appliances, especially if you do a lot of cooking inside your house. It should just be something that comes standard with every single house. So this is definitely a good option. It's portable, so you can move it downstairs. I would keep it plugged in if I were you, just so you're constantly getting air quality monitor updates. But you could bring this out every once in a while. You can see, wow, look, I'm doing a lot of talking, and the CO2 is now over 1,000, which is not good, right? So this is definitely something, like I said, every house should have. Air quality monitor by LifeBasis.